Are you on a clean keto diet and struggling to find the right foods to fuel your weight loss journey? In this video, I'll share the top clean keto foods you need to eat to fuel your body for maximum weight loss. Hello, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lesya and I help professional women achieve and maintain their dream bodies through a clean keto and carb cycling lifestyle. Today, I want to share the top clean keto foods you need to be eating if you want maximum weight loss results while achieving optimal health. And stick to the end because I'm going to give you access to a complete clean keto list PDF guide that you can download and use right away. Before I get into the foods, I want to quickly go over the difference between clean keto versus dirty keto and why I focus teaching a clean keto lifestyle to my clients. Clean keto emphasizes the importance of consuming nutrient-dense foods that are minimally processed and free from harmful additives such as pesticides, hormones, and inflammatory ingredients. On the other hand, dirty keto emphasizes the consumption of low-carb, high-fat foods without regard for the nutrient quality of foods. This can include processed meats, fast food, and keto junk food, and snacks that contain harmful additives and increase inflammation in the body. For my clients who want maximum weight loss on keto, I have them focus on eating these top clean keto foods. Let's talk about what those top foods are. Number one on the list is high quality protein. Protein is queen, and as the queen, she deserves first place on my list. Protein is an essential macronutrient that is necessary for building and repairing tissue, including muscle. When it comes to clean keto, it's important to focus on high quality protein sources such as grass-fed beef, pasture-raised chicken, wild-caught fish, and organic eggs. These protein sources contain essential amino acids that are necessary for muscle growth and recovery. Also, protein is known to be more satiating than carbohydrates, which means that it can help you feel full for longer periods, preventing overeating and promoting weight loss. High-quality protein is an essential macronutrient that is necessary for building and repairing tissues, including your muscles. And when it comes to choosing protein, you want to go with grass-fed beef, pasture-raised chicken and pork, wild-caught fish, and organic eggs. They're the best options when it comes to eating a clean keto diet. These sources are preferred because they are typically higher in healthy fats and lower in harmful additives and toxins that can be found in conventionally raised animal products. Now, I know that grass-fed and pasture-raised protein can get expensive, but do the best you can with the resources that you have. Regardless of what you can afford, avoid processed and packaged meats such as hot dogs, deli meats, and fast food meats like the plague. These are the absolutely worst on your health and weight loss efforts. Number two food on the clean keto list is non-starchy vegetables, preferably organic. Vegetables are essential for any healthy diet, but when it comes to keto, it's important to focus on non-starchy options. Non-starchy vegetables are the perfect addition to your keto meals as they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without kicking you out of ketosis. Here are my top picks for non-starchy vegetables that are perfect for the keto diet. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are a fantastic option for the keto diet as they're low in carbs and packed with nutrients. Examples of some leafy greens that I love are spinach, kale, lettuce, arugula, and collard greens. These greens are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied during the day. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like calcium and iron. You can easily incorporate leafy greens into your diet by adding them to your salads, smoothies, or stir fries. Then there's cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are another great option for the keto diet as long as you don't have any gut issues, so be careful with those if you do. But these examples include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These vegetables are also low in carbs and high in fiber, making them an ideal addition to your keto meals. They're also rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients, which have been shown to have an anti-inflammatory properties. You can enjoy these vegetables steamed, roasted, or sauteed with some healthy fats like olive oil and butter. And then one of my other really favorite vegetables on clean keto is zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile vegetable that's perfect for the keto diet. It's low in carbs, high in fiber, making it a great option if you're doing clean keto. Zucchini is also a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support healthy hearts. You can spiralize zucchini to make zucchini noodles, that's my favorite way to do it, or cut it into rounds for roasting and grilling in the summer. And then there's bell peppers, okay? All of a sudden now we have bell pepper sandwiches, but these are colorful and nutritious and a great addition to any keto meal. They're low in carbs, high in fiber, making them also a really great choice for clean keto. They're also very rich in vitamin C, which is important for immune function and skin health. All right, you can make a bell pepper sandwich. You can slice peppers into salad or use them as a crunchy snack with some keto-friendly dips like guacamole. When it comes to clean keto, what I will say is do not sacrifice your non-starchy vegetables for the sake of keeping carbs low. If you're gonna cut carbs, cut them from keto processed foods and snack foods, not vegetables. Next on my list is berries. Yes, you can have fruit on keto. While most fruits are high in carbohydrates and not great for the ketogenic diet, there are a few types of berries that are low in carbs and packed with healthy benefits. Here are the berries that you can enjoy on clean keto. Strawberries. Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious berry that is perfect for clean keto. 1 cup of sliced strawberries contains only 8 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber, making them a great low-carb option. Strawberries are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which is important for immune function and skin health. Talking to you, ladies. They're rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Then there's raspberries. Raspberries are another tasty and low-carb berry that's perfect for clean keto. 1 cup of raspberries contains only 7 grams of carbs and 8 grams of fiber, making them a great source of fiber. Raspberries are also high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, which are important for bone health and blood sugar regulation. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Then there's blackberries. Blackberries are a sweet and tart berry that's perfect for clean keto as well. 1 cup of blackberries contains only 7 grams of carbs and 8 grams of fiber, making them an excellent source of fiber. Blackberries are also high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese as well, which are great again for your bone health and blood sugar regulation. And last but not least on the fruit list as far as berries goes is going to be blueberries. Blueberries are a sweet and juicy berry that's perfect for keto, but in moderation, all right? 1 cup of blueberries contains 21 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fiber, so it's important to enjoy them in small portions. Blueberries are also high in vitamin C and vitamin K, which are important for immune function and bone health. Just like the other berries, they're rich in antioxidants, and they have been shown to improve your brain, improve memory, and brain function. Let me know in the comments what berry is your favorite. I'm for sure a raspberry girl. 4th on the list is healthy fats. One of the most important aspects of the clean keto diet is consuming high amounts of healthy fats, especially if you're just starting out on keto. Once you've become fat adapted, you can lower your fats and increase protein to increase fat loss. But in the beginning, we need to get enough healthy fats in. Healthy fats are essential for any clean keto diet as they provide the necessary energy for your body to function properly. Healthy fats also help keep you full and promote weight loss. Here are the best healthy fats I recommend my female clients eat while doing clean keto. Avocado. Avocado is one of the best sources of healthy fats on the keto diet. 1 medium-sized avocado contains about 23 grams of fat, 13 grams of fiber, and only 2 grams of net carbs. Avocados are also rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C, which are important for heart health, bone health, and immune function. They contain healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Then there's coconut oil. Oh, I love me some coconut oil. Coconut oil is another great source of healthy fats on the keto diet. It's high in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly absorbed and converted into ketones by the liver. This makes coconut oil an excellent fuel source for the body on the keto diet. Coconut oil also contains lauric acid, which has been shown to have antimicrobial and antiviral properties. It's also been linked to improved brain function and weight loss. And then there's olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is also a great source of healthy fats on the keto diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, which have been shown to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Olive oil contains antioxidants that protect against oxidative damage and can help improve brain function. And lastly, I love me some ghee. Ghee is a form of clarified butter that's commonly used in Indian cuisine, which I love, by the way. So this is a great source of healthy fats on the keto diet because it's high in saturated fat and has a high smoke point, making it ideal for cooking at high temperatures. Ghee is also rich in butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that has been linked to improve gut health, reduce inflammation, and improved insulin sensitivity. And last but not least on my list are nuts and seeds, but proceed with caution since it's easy to overeat nuts on keto. Guilty as charged. Nuts and seeds are great sources of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which makes them an excellent option on a clean keto diet. Here are the best options that I recommend. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats and protein on the keto diet. They're also high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. 1 ounce of almonds contains about 14 grams of fat, 6 grams of protein, and only 2.5 grams of net carbs. Almonds are also rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium, which are important for heart health, bone health, and muscle function. Next, I love me some macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are one of the best nuts to eat on the keto diet. Go to Costco and get them in bulk. They are very high in fat with 1 ounce containing about 22 grams of fat, 2 grams of protein, and about 1.5 grams of net carbs. Macadamia nuts are also a good source of fiber, vitamin B1, and manganese, which can help support brain function and bone health. Then there's some chia seeds. Who doesn't love a chia seed pudding? Chia seeds are a great source of healthy fats and fiber on keto as well. They are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health and brain function. 1 ounce of chia seeds contains about 9 grams of fat, 5 grams of fiber, and only 1 gram of net carbs. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against oxidative damage and inflammation. And then there's flax seeds. Flax seeds are another great source of healthy fats and fiber on keto. They're also high in lignans, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 1 ounce of flax seeds contains about 8 grams of fat, 6 grams of fiber, and only 1 gram of net carbs. Flax seeds are also a good source of vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium, which are very important for heart health and muscle function. I know you're seeing a trend here. If you focus on eating high-quality protein, non-starchy veggies, berries, healthy fats, and nuts and seeds when planning your clean keto meals, you are going to get the best weight loss results while optimizing your overall health. Now, this video would be 1 hour long if I went over all the foods that are clean keto approved. So I created a complete clean keto food list PDF guide inside my 5-day clean keto reset that you can download right now and use to plan your upcoming clean keto meals. Go to the description to download your copy now. In the meantime, go watch the next video where I will share how to lose weight fast on keto, female edition. See you there.